As we grow older, our legs, knees and joints are the first areas to show weakness. You start noticing little things at first. A slight stiffness when you get up in the morning, swelling in your feet after a walk, or pain in the knees when you climb stairs. Many people think these problems come because of age, and they think age means decline. But that is not the truth. The body has a built-in power to heal, rebuild, and restore strength. The secret lies inside something called collagen. Collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It supports your joints, strengthens your muscles, protects your bones and helps your knees move smoothly. When collagen levels drop, your body starts telling you through swelling, pain and weak legs. But there is a beautiful fact: you can rebuild collagen every single day just by eating the right foods. Your body responds to good nutrition at any age. Even at 50, 60 or 70, the body still wants to repair itself. It is never too late. Your legs carry your entire body weight every day. They support you when you walk, sit, stand or climb. They give you independence. That is why your legs and joints deserve better food and better care. Most people think medication is the only answer. But food is the most powerful medicine. If you feed your body the right nutrients, inflammation goes down, mobility improves and pain begins to fade. So let's begin by understanding which foods give your body the collagen it needs. Imagine drinking a warm cup of homemade broth. What you are really drinking is joint nutrition. Bone broth is filled with the same type of collagen that protects your cartilage. Every sip goes into your joints like fuel. Many seniors say that after adding bone broth into their routine, they felt lighter, more flexible and more energetic. It supports the joints and reduces swelling in the knees and ankles. Even a small bowl can start repairing tissues inside you. Your body thanks you every time you nourish it with something pure and natural. Now imagine eating a meal of fresh salmon. Salmon is powerful for your legs and joints because it fights inflammation. When inflammation goes down, stiffness goes away. When stiffness goes away, movement becomes easier. You start walking more confidently. Omega-3 from fish is like oil for your joints. It keeps everything moving smoothly. If you want better balance, better walking and stronger joints, adding salmon or fatty fish into your weekly diet can transform your mobility. Think about something as simple as an egg. Most people don't know how powerful a single egg is. It has the exact amino acids your body uses to rebuild collagen and strengthen tissues. When you eat eggs, you help your muscles do their job. Your legs depend on strong muscles to keep your balance and support your joints. Every morning you eat an egg, you are rebuilding your foundation from the inside. And when your foundation is strong, your body stands strong. Now let's think about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, cabbage and mixed greens protect your cartilage and help your body produce collagen naturally. They give your joints vitamins and minerals that keep your knees flexible and strong. The more greens you eat, the more your joints thank you because greens are fighters. They fight inflammation, they fight weakness and they fight aging. Pause for a moment and imagine this. Imagine walking upstairs without pain. Imagine waking up and standing on your feet without feeling stiff. Imagine going for a walk with confidence and balance. Imagine being able to do everyday things with ease. That is what happens when your body gets the nutrition it was missing. Food doesn't just fill your stomach. Food repairs your joints. Food reduces swelling. Food brings back strength. Now think about fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. These berries are powerful healers. They protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation in your knees, and help improve your blood circulation. Better circulation means less swelling, less pressure, and better mobility. Then think about a meal that includes chicken. Chicken is filled with collagen. It supports muscle growth and helps your legs stay strong. People often don't realize that weak legs come from weak muscles. And muscles need protein. So when you eat chicken, you are giving your legs the support they need to stay strong and stable. Imagine having a bowl of yogurt. Yogurt contains protein and nutrients that help repair tissues. Strong muscles protect your joints. When your muscles are strong, your knees are stable. Your balance improves. Your walking becomes smoother. Your legs feel solid beneath you. And suddenly daily movement feels effortless again. Think about a handful of walnuts or almonds. These nuts work like natural medicine for swelling and pain. They reduce inflammation and support your joints. They give you healthy fats that lubricate your joints from the inside. A small handful every day can make a big difference over time. So the message is simple. Your body can still heal. Your joints can still get stronger. Your legs can still support you. Your mobility can still improve. Do not accept pain. Do not accept weakness. Do not accept swelling as your future. You can take control. You can nourish your body. You can rebuild collagen. You can restore strength in your legs. Many people after 50 or 60 believe their body is done. But they are wrong. Strength is not gone. It is waiting. Healing is not impossible. It is waiting. Energy is not lost. It is waiting. Your body is always listening to the food you give it. The better your nutrition, the better your movement, health and strength. Food is not just food. Food is medicine. Food is recovery. Food is support for your joints. And when you start giving your body these powerful foods every day, your legs begin to change. Your joints begin to respond. Your pain begins to fade. Your mobility begins to return. And your confidence begins to grow. You deserve to walk without fear of falling. You deserve to stand without pain. You deserve to live with freedom in your body. You have the power to nourish yourself and become stronger again. These foods are not just ingredients. They are protectors of your health. They are healers of your joints. They are builders of collagen. They are gifts for your legs and your entire body. This transformation begins with one choice. Feed your body the foods that support you. Do it daily. Do it consistently. And your body will respond. You will feel the change. You will see the change. You will live the change.